Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Sonni Reviews It. In today's video, I'm so excited to share my collection of theme composition books that I personally designed and published. The first one here is the football inspired composition book. All the graphics on the front and the back I personally designed, so you will not find these exact books no place else. And all these books are available on Amazon, and I will put a link in the description below. The second book here is the basketball inspired composition book. All these themes, I really took my time and researched the graphics and everything, and I really enjoyed putting the graphics together to design the different books. This one right here is the gamer inspired composition book. In the inside, all the insides look the same. They all have the lined paper. This one right here is for the sports lover. So it's the sports lover theme composition book. This one right here is for the sports car. This is a sports car inspired composition book. And these aren't your basic notebooks. Each one has its own unique vibe and personality to match your style, interest, or mood. Right here is the 70s retro. And I had fun doing this one too, just kind of researching and making sure I got everything from the 70s. Okay, and this one right here is the 80s throwback. So whether you're a student, journal lover, gift shopper, or just someone who loves stylish notebooks, there's definitely something here for you. One of these books you will definitely love. Okay, this one right here is the pool/billiards inspired composition book. I have the little pool table design on the front and the back. I have the pool sticks and the pool in the design. And the last one right here is the tennis inspired composition book. I really enjoyed doing this one too, but really I enjoyed making all of them. I just love doing the research and making sure I got all the graphics right and making sure I kind of included everybody, like different nationalities on the different books. You see all the pages are the same inside. Again, all these books will be linked in the description. Thank you for watching this video, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews, DIYs, and creative products from me. Again, thank you for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed it.